Hello friends, in today's video I will show you that which type of budgies I have. I have two yellow budgies and two green budgies. Their another name is parrot, and you can see that green one pair is playing. This is their food and this is the water that they drink. And these are the earthen pots in which they live. They slept in this, and these are over here, and I had to place some stones over there so that they can enjoy like as a nature in that. And you can see here is my parrot. I have bought this new cage for him because he had now grew up and now he is very much aggressive. I don't know why so he is aggressive, but now he start to biting me. Okay, so I'm closing the door of the cage. See, when I will place my finger na, he will come to bite. And see this budgie. See that budgie, it was playing over there. They came down and playing on that stones. Okay, thank you friends, I hope you like my video.